Hi guys, so I am home again today and I'm going to go to the gym later. I did some shopping. I didn't do shopping earlier. I'm not shopping. I went to the mall with one of my friends because she needed to finish up Christmas shopping and I just went along to like walk around and get out of the house. But I am home and I'm going to do some Christmas wrapping, some Christmas present wrapping, and then we're gonna go to the gym. But I just wanted to wrap with you, so I also wanted to start this vlog. So hey, welcome to this week's vlog.
Fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way, bells on bobtails ring, making spirit.
Hi guys, so I'm in my car as you can see, and I'm just doing a quick trip to Target and then the grocery store, and I wanted to bring you along. So here we go. Okay, so my goal today is to finish up Christmas shopping and to get some gifts, and I wish I was rich because I have a friend who would love this little set, but alas, I'm not rich. But I'm gonna look at some of the stuff, the hair stuff, some little stuff. I got the big gifts for both of my friends, but I just need to finish the little stuff and some stocking stuffers. One of my friends has shorter hair and she's been putting clips in her hair. I'm not sure if she likes silver or gold better, but I think this might be a good option to finish up her gifts. All right, so I found some gold ones, but they're kind of fugly, so I'm just gonna go with this one and hope she likes it. My best friend needs bookmarks, and look at these cute ones I found. They're by Dabney Lee. They're faux leather. It says read between the lines, Daydreamer, and to be continued. I think she's gonna really like the colors, and I just have to finish up one thing more for her, and then I have stocking stuffers for my boyfriend, and that should be it. And then I can go grocery shopping. Oh my god, you guys. It's so cute. Okay, so I had to pick some stuff up for Caesar for Christmas. So I found this jumpy bird toy that goes on doorknobs, and this like wall one, so you can play by himself. There's plenty of other toys, we play with him. And then I got some, we love this Kindful brand, so I got him some salmon flavored shoes. I finished up most of what I needed at Target, which is awesome. So now I just need to wrap those things, and then now I'm heading to Trader Joe's. So I'll see you at Trader Joe's. Oh my god, okay, I haven't updated you. I have a lot from Trader Joe's, but look, I found an Abby pounder for cats. So we are going to do this with Caesar. Oh my god, this is exactly what I was looking for. Okay, I just put my cart back from Costco. I did not film there because it's a little too crazy in there, but I did not get that much, so it's not a big deal. Okay, so you saw a lot of what I got, but I'm gonna give you a quick little Trader Joe's haul. I saw this sparkling Honeycrisp apple juice beverage. I have no idea what it is, but that is my favorite flavor profile. I got this dill pickled mini falafel. This is actually, I'm having a little Christmas get together with two of my friends on Saturday, and one of them is gonna absolutely love this. I got cornbread mix. I got carrots, lemons, some non-fat vanilla Greek yogurt, which I absolutely love. I also got these carrots because I saw Remy, Regina George wore flip-flops, so I wore flip-flops. Anyway, I saw Remy Cruz got them, and she really likes them, like roasted, so I wanted to try them. And me and my boyfriend love these Korean-style beef short ribs, so I got a pack for dinner one night. Oh, I don't know if this is gonna be good, but I also found clam chowder, so I'm gonna try that. Some kitty treats for somebody, maybe for Christmas. At Costco, I did pick up these flowers. I thought they were cute and Christmassy. And then I got salmon and some meat and a giant thing of black pepper because we were out. So that is most of what I got there. And then let's do Target. You saw a lot of this too, but for the thing I'm doing on Saturday, I'm going to make these brownies. I got this as part of a gift. One of my friends asked for it, so I got a Peach Vibe Celsius because I love that flavor. It's gonna sound stupid, but it's part of a stocking that I'm doing. Now I have to whisper about it, but I got different teas to try. I got cream of mushroom soup because I'm making green bean casserole again for Christmas time. I got a grape Celsius because that's actually my favorite flavor. I also got this for someone's stocking, but look how cute it is. I got this big thing of flour. It's kind of like leaking. I don't know. I thought these were so cute. So I got these to like put out in a little bowl. I got these to decorate the brownies with my buddies on Saturday. I got this as the final gift for one of my friends, as I told you about. I got this too for the same thing. And I also got this because this is someone's favorite candy and it'll fit perfectly in a stocking. Showed you these treats. I also got these because they look exactly like his other sunglasses, but he can wear these like to the beach and stuff when he doesn't want to ruin his really expensive ones. Stocking. And that's it. That's my haul. I'll probably pick this back up, honestly, on Friday, which is in a few days. So, see you then. Hi guys, so it is a few days later. I just went to the gym and I'm going to shower, but first I'm actually going to finally paint these little poster holders that I got white. I want to paint them before I take a shower so I can just wash all the paint off because I usually am messy when I paint. So I just wanted to introduce that I'm doing that and we can craft and put them up together. And then I have a really fun night with my friends that I'm going to take you along with. We're doing a little Christmas celebration together. So it's going to be a lot of fun, but this is the start of my, well, not the start of my day. I went to the gym, but, and I was cleaning this morning, but yeah, now I'm going to be doing some crafting. So let's do it. Alright, so I have most of them done. I still have one more to do over there, but I need to start getting some things cooked. Take a shower, so I need to start getting ready and preheat the oven and things, but yeah, I just wanted to get the first couple layers on these. These might actually be done, but I wanted to get some layers on these because I've been meaning to do it for a while and had some extra time today. So let's get ready. Let's get to cooking. Let's have our little Christmas celebration. All right, hi everyone. So I did my makeup, honestly, just so I could film a TikTok. Tonight is a jammies night. So I'm wearing Grinch jammies. I'm also wearing penguin socks that I took from my mom years ago and brought them all the way to California with me. So thanks, Mom. I have the salmon ready. I have the spicy honey sauce ready. It's like a hot honey glaze salmon situation. I made a little bit of green bean casserole because one of the girls coming today loves green bean casserole, and we just need to light the tree and plug in the bar cart. And lots of holiday magic here now. Love it. Okay, so I kind of left off in a weird place because my friends came over and we had so much fun. I just like didn't film because it's two of my best friends in the whole world, and we just had such a time. But I did want to update you. I just got back from the gym and showered. I'm going to open my birthday present from my sister that came just a little late, but it's here and I'm so excited about it. I also wanted to show you my wooden things. These, I don't know, poster holders or whatever. They're fully dry and they look really good, and I just have to get this sides off, like the crumbles off the sides. But I think we can put up some of the things I wanted to put up with these finally today, which is really exciting. So I'm gonna go ahead and open my birthday gift real quick, and then we will continue on with the vlog. And my birthday present from a few months ago finally came in because there were some like stock issues and order issues, and you guys know I'm trying to not overconsume, so I did not buy anything. Oh my god, I did not buy anything for myself. So this is from my sister, and she gave me permission to open it. It's not for Christmas, it's for my birthday, which was a few months ago, but it finally came in, and I'm so excited because I only asked her for one thing, and I gave her a few options. Yay! Oh, my poof! I got a poof for my living room to put my feet on. Oh my gosh. This is the, like, I sent her a couple. I sent her a lot of neutral ones, and I sent her this one because I thought it was funky and fun, and I love it for my living room. And it's literally gonna go right here, like this. And I'm literally so happy. Oh, thank you, sissy. I love it. Happy birthday to me. I'm gonna like open it all the way up, but this is from Threshold, and I'm pretty sure this one was on clearance, so that's pretty cool. It's like orange and checkered. Probably looks brown, but it's orange. So I'm gonna open this all the way up, but I wanted to open that with you. Yay! So while my hair is drying and while I'm relaxing a little bit, I am going to start this 5-minute journal that one of my friends got me for Christmas. It says tools to positively change your life. There's different things to do, accountability. This is what I'm excited for, is to get to things I am grateful for, what would make today great, daily affirmation, what did I learn today. So I'm excited to start this and really dig in what it is, and it's divided, like this is day and you can see with the sun, and this is night, and it's a 5-minute journal. So I'm gonna read the first couple of pages and then do my first one of these. So I just wanted to take you along with me as I did it. Okay, so I read through how to do all of the sections, and you're supposed to start in the morning and do it at night. But today I am going to fill out my commitment and just say that I'm starting tomorrow. I'm going to say why this is important to me. Days of writing this journal, I will reward myself with. I'll put something, and then if I don't, I'll put something negative, and then my motivation here. I'm just going to fill out this side and finish the reading, and then probably finish up what I can until the first one of these, which I will start tomorrow in the morning. Alright, so now that I filled out the first part, which is my commitment, I am now going to fill in what is my biggest challenge, what is one identity statement that would change everything for you, and I'm gonna write those down, and then I'm gonna fill out these questions as well. Okay, and that's it. Next page is just starting the journal, which I will start tomorrow morning, but I have all of my goals set up, and I'm excited to get started on this. I probably will not be doing much more tonight, and this will probably be the end of the vlog. I know this one was also kind of this boring stay-at-home vlog, but I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon for the next vlog. Oh yeah, be sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I am doing a fun little outfit series that I'm posting on TikTok, so go check that out. Bye!